In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make borders like this or like this for your videos. So what you're going to want to do is open DaVinci Resolve, and you're going to move your clip onto your timeline. This can be a picture or a video. For me, I'm using a clip for a future project. And then you're just going to want to zoom out your clip. So I'm just going to go up here and just zoom out just slightly, just so I can see the background. And then we're going to head into the effects tab up here on the same page, and you're going to want to go to the generators and bring down either a solid color or a multicolor gradient palette. For this video, I'll be using the multicolor one. And since it has like multiple colors, I'm going to just fix that so I can match my clip. After you adjust your colors, you're going to head into the edit page. And then what you're going to do is convert that multicolor gradient or the solid color into a new clip. And then what you're going to want to do is move that background clip behind your image or video. Once you've done that, we're heading back into the cut page, and we're going to go back to the effects tab and to video, and we're going to search up transform. Here, you're going to add a transform node to both of your clips. Then for your original clip, you head down to the effects tab here on the right of the screen and open image adjustment. Here you're going to want to check the crop/uncrop section, and you're going to want to crop all sides of your video, because if you don't, when you round the edges, it's going to end up looking like this. You're not going to have a perfect circle, and it's going to look weird when you're like trying to match it with the border. So try to crop all 4 sides of your video or image first. And then you're going to round the edges, not too much. You obviously come back to it later if it doesn't match with the background, but we're just going to round the edges just slightly. And as you can see, the edges are a little pixelated. So what we're going to do is just soft the edges just slightly. 0.16, 0.45 usually works well. Anything more or like less, either too pixelated or too blurry. Now we're going to head to the background clip and pretty much do the same thing. Obviously, you can be more precise with this. I'm just rushing because of the video. And once you're satisfied with your border and how things look, all you're going to have to do is head back into the edit page, highlight both of them, right click, and convert it to a new compound clip. Here you have full control of your clip, and you can adjust it wherever you want into the video. As you can see, it doesn't really affect either or. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. As you can see, I did upgrade my setup just a little bit. I will be creating more simple tutorials like this, so I can get back to the group of creating content, I guess. And I will be back to doing like Marvel's effects here on DaVinci as well. Got a few videos planned, so if you're interested, subscribe. Goodbye.